Young Dizzle.
Hey y'all, it's Jimmy P and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. Hit that bell button right next to it so notify when I upload all of my videos. And of course, girl, go and follow me on all my social media at JIMIP_. Y'all know we lit on Instagram and Twitter, so make sure you follow me on there. So today, as you can tell by the title, I am bringing y'all another hair video. Y'all know I am obsessed with wigs. I'm obsessed with hair. I love trying new and different things. And girl, Gorgius Hair sent me this gorgeous unit. This is their short curly wig with wispy bangs. It is 180% density and it is 14 inches long, girl. Yes! This is so cute. I feel like it's giving me Puerto Rican mommy. I said it the entire video. It is super easy to put on. Literally, you just throw it on and go about your business, okay? It took me 2 seconds to put it on, as you can see, and it took me a few minutes to style it. Shout out to Gorgius Hair for sending me this unit. I will leave all their links down below in the description box for y'all to check them out, and the direct link to this wig as well. If I have a discount code, y'all already know where it's going to be at. Where it's going to be at down below in the description box, so make sure you go check it out, okay? Alright, y'all, I'm going to stop rambling. Let's get into this video about how I slayed this wig, how I put it on my head, and how I made it real cute. I honestly didn't do too much, but that's how you know. That's how you know this is the wig for you if you want a very low maintenance wig, okay? Just throw on and go, girl, okay? Let's get into the video. Hey y'all, so we are about to get into me installing this wig. I'm super excited. I never did a wig like this before, so we are gonna make sure. So we are gonna see how she's gonna look, but let's get into this packaging. Super cute. I love this. This is from Gorgius Hair. Shout out to them for sponsoring this video, girl. So the wig came in this really cute silk bag. Really cute. I want to show y'all some of the things also that came with it. They sent me a wig cap to go with it. Y'all know I love when companies send me wig caps because, girl, it just makes it a lot easier. They also sent me this cute chromatic, I think that's what you call it, little baggie. I love presentation when it comes to wigs. Let's open her up and see what is inside. So they sent me 2 little hair clips or whatever. Yes, very useful. They also sent me a clip or a stretch band for the back, just in case I need to make the wig tighter. They also sent me some bobby pins. We're gonna see what we may need these for. And then they also sent me some tweezers. Yes, period. And then last but not least, they also sent me a double-sided edge brush. Love. So the wig that they sent me is a shoulder grazing 180% density curly wig with wispy bangs. She is 14 inches and I'm about to take her out of the cap. These curls look so nice. Look at that. Oh yes, girl. Now again, I never did a wig like this, so I'm a little nervous, y'all, but I know the Gorgius Hair Company done hooked me up, girl. So this is the little bang in the front, these gorgeous curls. Yes. So let me just shake her. Y'all can kind of see what she's looking like, okay? Hair all over, yes ma'am. And then this is what she is looking like on the inside. We have the cap going all the way around. We have a stretchy little band to make sure she's secured. We got some clips on the inside and all of that, yes ma'am. So I'm excited to get her put on my head, but I just wanted to show y'all what they are looking like. These curls look so good. They say that it's super easy to just throw on your head, use some water, some mousse, anything like that to kind of style it and get it to the way you want it to be. So we are going to see how easy she really is to throw on. So yes y'all, let's get into it.
Too shy.
the video. Thank you so much to Gorgius Hair for sending me this unit. I love it. I feel like this will be one of my go-to wigs whenever I need to just pop a wig on and go. This is gonna be my pop a wig on and go, okay? Let me know how y'all like this look on me. Do y'all like it? It's a little different for me, especially with the bangs, but you know, your girl likes to do different things, okay? Period. So yeah, let me know what y'all think. Leave me some comments. All the links will be in the description box down below, of course, so make sure you go check that out. And yeah, it was nice seeing y'all with another wig video, okay? Love y'all so much. Thank y'all for watching. I'll see y'all in my next one.